Hello dear students, now we are going to move forward and this is the part third for direct and indirect. Now how to change the tenses in reporting speech we are going to know. Here you are going to see indirect narration has two or more than two sentences. These all sentences are complex sentences. Okay students, okay bachcho, or double multiple sentences. So they are bound to follow the rules of sequence of tense. Now rule 1 for you. If the reporting verb is in present tense or in future tense, pay attention. If the reporting verb is in present tense or in future tense, the verb of the reported speech is not changed. Okay? Whether it refers to the past or present tense or the future tense. Some examples are also here, dear students. Present tense examples. My father says, comma, inverted comma, Shreya is an intelligent girl. Okay? What is the example? My father says, Shreya, comma, inverted comma, Shreya is an intelligent girl. Now you will change accordingly. My father says that Shreya is an intelligent girl. Okay? Because this tense is in present tense and there will be no change. Okay? Now, next example is for you. She says, comma, inverted comma, the father will go to Meerut today. Now we shall solve it. She says that the father will go to the Meerut that day. Okay. Now next example is also there. He says, comma, inverted comma, it was cold yesterday. He says that it was, that we have to mention here. Okay. It was cold. Yesterday will be changed into previous day. Okay. Next example of future tense. She will say, comma, inverted comma, Anil was ill. Because this is in future tense. Okay. She will say that Anil was ill. Okay, bachcho. Pay attention here. Next is the doctor will say, comma, inverted comma, the patient is well. Okay. The doctor will say that the patient is well because this is also in future tense, so there will be no change. Okay. Next example is Ram will say Mohit was unfit for that job. If that is already there, this will not be changed. Ram will say that Mohit was unfit for that job. Okay. Pay attention here and note this work in your fair notebook. Okay, bachcho. Now we are moving for the next. Now there are some examples when reporting verb is changed into past tense. When the reporting verb is in past tense, okay? Simple present or simple present indefinite tense. Simple present or present indefinite tense. Here is the example. He said, comma, inverted comma, Ram works hard. Okay? He said that Ram worked hard because object is not there, so there will be no change in reporting verb. So he said that Ram worked hard. Okay. Now from the next, present continuous or present progressive tense. Okay. He said, comma, inverted comma, the teacher is teaching the students, close inverted comma. He said that the teacher was teaching the students. Okay. Present will change into past. Okay. Past continuous tense. Now present perfect tense. Ram said, comma, inverted comma, Mohan has written the letter. Ram said that Mohan has will be changed into had. The present perfect will change into past perfect. Ram said that Mohan had written a letter. Okay. Present perfect continuous. My mother said. This present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Okay, pay attention here. My mother said, comma, inverted comma, Tina has been learning her lessons since 2 o'clock. Okay. My mother said that Tina had been learning her lessons since 2 o'clock. Okay. Next, past indefinite tense will change into past perfect. Pay attention here. Do this work in your fair notebook. Okay. The farmer said, comma, inverted comma, Rohit killed the snake. It will change into the farmer said that Rohit had killed the snake. Okay, bachcho? Pay proper attention and learn more and more. Okay. Past continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous. The stranger said, comma, inverted comma, he was going to see the fair. The stranger said that he had been going to see the fair. Okay. Next is, now before you, dear students, simple future tense is there. He said, comma, inverted comma, the child will not take milk. He said that the child will change into would. The child would not take milk. Okay. Now move to the next. Future continuous tense will change into would. Will or shall. Shall will change into should. Okay. She said, comma, inverted comma, the children will be playing at this time. Pay attention properly for this sentence. She said that the children would be playing. This will change into that at that time. Okay. Now next is here the conditional sentence. The young boy said, comma, inverted comma, if he had money, comma, he could buy the house. The young boy said that he could have bought the house if he had money. Okay. Next, there are some auxiliary verbs. Meena said, comma, inverted comma, Ram was an intelligent boy. Meena said that Ram had been an intelligent boy. Okay. Salu said, you may come in. Salu said that he might come in. Okay. Priya said, comma, inverted comma, Raghav can solve the sum. Priya said that Raghav could solve the sum. Okay. For the day, do this work complete in your fair grammar notebook. Okay, dear students. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you and bye. Okay.